My name is Jessica Vamus. I'm the Executive Director at the Humane Society of Cambria County, and I would like to thank the Johnstown Area Heritage Association for inviting us to the Heritage Discovery Center today to bring some adoptable kittens and rabbits to have a lot of fun in their different museums. We had a blast, and I hope that maybe you find your forever friend by watching this video.
We're excited to welcome the Humane Society to our Heritage Discovery Center, as well as our human visitors. The Johnstown Children's Museum, though, is currently closed, so today we invited some pet visitors to tour. You can help us get ready for people by supporting the Elevator campaign.